Hello everyone. So welcome back to the next part. So yeah, I am seeing some reference here, as you can see. So now, as I completed the 10 foot part, I just need to do the upper part, the upper section. I mean, that is the cuff muscle or the cuff part of the leg. Okay, the leg should be 45-degree or something, bend. So just creating the shape with the line. It should be a proper sci-fi kind of leg piece, and also a modular piece. Okay, so I'm just outlining the shape and creating the kind of like proper shape. Yeah, and then finally welding this one. All the vertices needs to be welded properly, and then I'm just arranging the vertices, something like this. Okay, okay, okay. Just eyeballing the shape outcome, and then create the extrude. So this is the roughly the shape come out of it, and then converting to editable poly, and make this shape edges a bit round, like this. And this should be the one cuff area, or the lower part of the leg after the foot. So I'm just arranging the thing, something like this. Yeah, okay, and it should be positioned like this. Okay, yeah. So now I'll need to make some adjustment for the proportion. Yeah, something like this bend according to the reference I'm having. Okay, yeah. So now I am just making a connection between that. Need to join that part. Okay, this one. Copy this one. Take this gap. Okay. And okay. Now this one is perfectly aligned with the leg part. You see this one. So this is the hinge part. I mean, this is the leg hinge. Okay, something like that. And you can make some adjustment there, and make some detail cut, something like Okay, make some cut there, and then you need to snap the ankle, snap the foot to the to this one, and then yeah, this could be rotate. Make some adjustment to this lower part and join this one, something like that. Make it like this. Okay, and then march it to the shape, and this is the lower part of the foot. Okay, now the foot is like, you know, snap it to the position like that, and you see the foot lower part is taking shape. Okay, so you just need to snap the foot to the snap the lower part to to the foot for the connection for the joint. Now I need to detail detail this part. Okay, so make it like a sci-fi kind of foot, like where we have the reference. Okay, we are actually having the lot of reference, but we are creating our own version of it. So it's like I'm adding some detail cuts, some insertion, some extrude, some bevel. Okay, so in a sci-fi game object or something like you know, the sci-fi situation, this kind of insertion and this you see the little bit of detail added, and it's looking quite okay. Yeah, then another part. Same thing. But now is that need to extrude inset. Okay, yeah, and then come to this part. Try to add the detail as much as possible to, you know, to make it like look like um, a robotic leg. And this extra detail will add some you know, good realism to the product at the final stage, at the final part. but keep in mind for the poly count, yeah, this sort of detailing is quite okay, and it will be quite good to look at when the AO and all the maps will be applied. Okay, yeah, you see the detailing is being added. So now I will work on the side part of the leg. So I'm just taking a box. It's all about the experimenting process, that which part should look good. It's all about that. Yeah, something like that. And you should come here, this side part, and come here. Just copy to the other side. But it's not looking too good. The shape is not matching to the it's not like creating the sci-fi feeling, I think. So maybe I'll try another process. So just remove that part. You see, this is all about uh, your feeling, your creativity, your idea, and the art. It's all about your art, that there will be a feeling that okay, this shape is appropriate and this shape is not. So when you are a modeler, when you do your own model, you will understand this kind of things, that you have a feeling that this shape is appropriate and this shape is not. It comes with kind of like experience and all that. So yeah, kind of like this simple shape is quite okay with the side part. Yeah, you see, and I'll have to just resize it and just uh, place it somewhere, mm, copy it to the other side. I mean, I'll have to mirror that to the other side, something like that. If you have a chance to mirror that, just mirror that. Okay, done. That's it. Done. Two side already. Here, place it here, and then make it like a smaller two parts. Rotate it and there you go, the another section. Okay, just rotate it, uh, sorry, mirror it and place it properly. Make sure you don't have any gaps between them. Okay, you can snap it. Yeah, that's the best option. You can snap it and then, yeah, make another copy of that. That's done. You see? So finally, the cuff muscle or the cuff part of or the lower part is done, and I'm just bending that 45-degree angle and snap it to the leg and make you, yeah, I'm sensing already a robot is being constructed. So guys, I am at the final stage of this tutorial. So yeah, I will come again with the next video. So till then, you support me, and please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll come again with the next one.